Hi everyone, myself Naresh. So I'm going to teach you Power BI tutorials. So from basic levels to the advanced level. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So this Power BI tool basically helps us to to create the reports. I mean charts, tables, matrix, maps, etc. With the n number of situations and screenshots and scenarios. So using this Power BI tutorial, we can create the charts, okay, and tables, matrix, and maps, and so on. And we see here, so it is one of the most popular data visualization tool. So what the tool represents? It represents data visualization. So what is data visualization? So for example, you have the data. You have the data in somewhere data warehouse. So you wanted to showcase the data. If you see, for example, let's say you have a table. Okay, table consists of 1 lakhs of records. Table contains 1 lakh of records. So 1 lakh records. So if you represent this 1 lakh of data, what you will be understanding? Yes, as a developer, you will be understanding. But when it comes to the business perspective, so the user will not understand what is happening. So for example, I do have employee salaries, employee employee details, details in the sense what is designations, what is his designation. So I wanted to see this employee salaries and employee IDs for the visualization. So I wanted to showcase this data visualization for employee ID, employee salary. If somebody comes and some user comes and see, he won't go to the database and he won't search for this employee ID and employee salary. He will simply see the data visualization, how the data will be represented. If you wanted to need this data in the charts, you can give it in the charts or tables, matrices. So if you see, so this Microsoft Power BI tool is a collection of data connectors, apps, software services, and which are used to get data from different source and transformations, produce beautiful reports. So Power BI tool allows publish them for your organization so that we can access using the mobiles and tablets as well. So if you want, you can download this Power BI tutorial in mobiles as well, mobiles, desktop. So far, but in our case, we will download Power BI desktop tutorial. Power BI desktop tutorial. So if you see, so we can install Power BI on our local computer to create the reports. So by using this Power BI desktop, we can connect different data sources such as we can connect data sources such as text files, databases, and Excel files, and so on, etc. So now we use this data to build Power BI reports by dragging required charts. So suppose I do have a text file. I wanted to showcase this data using Power BI. So data should be visualized. So finally, we share these reports to across the organization. You got it right. So if you wanted to, let's see, I'll show you. So Power BI sample reports. Let's type it. Let's go to import. If you see this, what is this report? This So what is this report? Let's see. So what this represents. Second, let's see this. Open this one. Let's see. See, this is the charts. So instead of going to this table, what you can do, we can simply average sales amount by class. So you can see economy and regular, and simply user can see, and he will say I mean, this is having this much of $1.3 million. So this is 2 Canada. This is the sales of top 5 categories. So this is the way we can create the reports by saying the data visualizations and all. So to download this Power BI desktop tutorial, so we just have to go to Microsoft Power BI official website. Let's go here, click on and download Power BI tutorials. So if you have Microsoft account, you click on the download, then you have to give the username and password. If you don't have that, then you have to go to the advanced download options. Then the window will be open, another window. So from here, you have to download, just download. So since I've already downloaded this is the file, so I'm going to run this file. So let's see. So what I have to do? So we have to select this language. Let's English. I'm clicking on next. So next. So this is installing. So it will take some time. Installation will take some time. Click on next and I'm accepting. Next, install. And now we are installing Microsoft Power BI desktop. Guys, I think hope you are understanding how to download and how to install. So to install this Microsoft Power BI desktop application, you at least need 4 GB of RAM. Contains your laptop at least having 500 GB, for the faster access. Now see, this is um, so if you wanted to install Power BI mobiles also, you can install, and I think you can get it from the Play Store Power BI, or you can get it from the Microsoft account. So let's see, and this will take some time. So let's go to the official site. The Microsoft Power BI mobile is also there. We wanted to install mobile is also, this is also one way. So Microsoft Power BI report builder, you don't need all these things. So you don't need all these things, and also you need one of the database Microsoft SQL Server you have to install. So that is also you can get it from the Google. So everything will be it's a less software, so nothing to worry. So I'll tell you how to download that is as well and how to do connectivity between these tables. So installation progress. So guys, I'll tell you. So next topic would be down and adding and renaming, add, rename, duplicate, and delete pages. Okay. So then everything will be then downloading the download and connect to the SQL server and connecting to the multiple Excel sheets and get data from Excel files, get data from text files. So let's connect to the SQL server. Third one is connect to multiple Excel files. The fourth one, get data from Excel files. Data from Excel files. And fifth one, get data from text files. Sixth one, multiple data sources. Then removal of unwanted columns from tables. Okay. So these are all the basics of the Power BI tutorials. Then after this we will the section 2 cover section 2 I'll cover Power BI transformations. Power BI transformations So in the transformation section, we will see bins and change the data type of a column and combining multiple tables and clusters and format dates and groups, hierarchies, joins, pivot tables, everything whatnot, query groups, and also rename column names and rename table names, split columns. Then after that, the section 3 will cover section 3. So what Power BI charts? Okay, Power BI charts. So within the Power BI desktop visualization tab, we can see small icons. I mean, Power BI charts, how to create. So area chart. There are a couple of charts we can create: area chart, bar chart, card, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, donut chart, funnel chart, heat, line, map. So there are a lot of charts available. So that I'll explain you everything. So one by one. And also we will cover the formatting options of the section Power BI tutorials. And also the section 4 will cover section 4 will cover Power BI filters. Okay, Power BI filters. So then in the Power BI filters, I'll explain slicer, basic filters, advanced filters, top end filters, filters on messengers, and page level filters, report level filters, and drill through filters. So then, and section 5 covers. So nothing to worry, everything will be easy. So Power BI tutorial on calculated fields. So calculated fields. So here what we will, sometimes we don't get the columns that we need to perform visualization. So in these situations, we can create Power BI calculated fields that we have shown in the next classes. So within the columns, we can write simple arithmetic operations for the most powerful BI DAX functions. So there we can cover calculated columns, conditional columns, calculated measures, and calculated tables. So then finally, section 5 and section 6 will cover Power BI tutorials on dashboards. So the Power BI tutorial dashboards, adding reports to the dashboards, and we will publish. So there we will register to Pro Services dashboard introduction and connecting desktop with BA service and create a workspace and creating the dashboards. And the last section would be section 7 and learning working with the Power BI dashboards and reports and sharing Power BI work and Power BI tutorials, question and answers. So, and section 7 covers question and answers, and along with sharing the reports, sharing the Power BI work and reports and data sets. So these are all the things will be covered under this tutorial. So this is, I think it is installed. Let's click on finish. Now it is opening. So guys, in this tutorial, I have explained what is a Power BI and what is the uses of Power BI, what we can do using the Power BI. So and the download and installation of the Power BI and Power BI desktop tutorial, we have done it. And we can do the text files, database files, Excel files, etc. And we can create the charts and data visualizations. And we will see all these topics in the coming classes. And we do have a couple of sections on Power BI transformations and Power BI charts and Power BI filters. Okay, so finally, I'll explain interview questions and answers. So this is, I just open. So this is the tool for Power BI. Let's get started. So let's just see, so enter Power BI desktop, Power BI personal, sign into the enhanced collaboration. You just give the viewer. So this is sign into the account. Okay. So we need, I think, study it account. So enter password. Okay. So that is us. I think it's optional. So server database. So this is basic Power BI tool. So you can see it's not required to If you have account, then you can give, otherwise not required. So this is importing data from SQL Excel, and importing data from SQL Server, place data into the blank table and try a sample data set. We will cover everything in the coming classes. Nothing to worry. It's a very simple tool and a visualization tool. So you don't need to worry. Let's see some sample. Let's see some sample. You see, you want to do. So Excel workbook. Click on this Excel workbook. What data we do have? So connect. I'll tell you how to topics one by one. So in the coming classes. So guys, sheet one. Let's see. We don't have any data actually, so I'll prepare that for the next classes. Guys, this is the today class. So I'm going to wind up this session. So if you guys having any doubts, please comment in the comment section below. I'll explain you everything, and please like and subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thanks for watching this video.